Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel Cluster Daisy. I'm Daisy. I hope you've seen my early DIY videos. I have uploaded some DIY videos till now. Today's video is not only an interesting DIY videos, it's also a science experiment and I'm sure you guys just going to love it. Today I'm going to turn a people leaves into a skeleton leaves. You guys were asking me about the skeleton leaves after watching my Instagram story. I have planned for this video from a long time, but it was raining continuously from 2-3 days, so I wasn't able to collect the leaves. Today थोड़ा सा धूप निकला था. Now almost 5:30 PM, sunset time, and I want to take the advantage of it. I'm so sorry for not posting any videos from long time, but I'm thankful to all those who are still texting me on Instagram and Facebook for uploading more DIY videos. You guys were asking me why new videos are not coming. I was very busy with my studies and my little side business. Let me tell you, I have an art and craft page on Instagram named Art and Craft. You can also search it by Handmade by Daisy, and on Facebook its name is Creative Crafters. So without further ado, let's get started with today's video. So now I'm going there to get some people leaves.
इवनिंग वॉक के साथ साथ मैं ये काम कर रही हूँ, तो आई एम सो एक्साइटेड। तो वहाँ कुछ पीपल ट्री दिख रही है मुझे। तो एक चीज याद जरूर रखना कि छोटे छोटे जो पत्ते हैं वो ज्यादा नहीं लेना, क्योंकि आफ्टर फ्यू डेज ये स्पॉइल हो जाती है, क्योंकि इसका जो स्केलेटन है वो ज्यादा हार्ड नहीं होते। मैंने इसके साथ साथ कुछ बैनियन लीव्स भी लिए। देखते हैं शायद इसका भी एक्सपेरिमेंट सक्सेसफुल कर पाऊँ। I have got my leaves. Now let's start. For this experiment of DIY, you need people leaves, water, container or tub and soft brush. So pour water into container or jar. Take all the people leaves into water. Cook the leaves in water for 2 to 3 weeks until the leaves become very soft. Change the water regularly after 2 to 3 days to keep it from going rancid. After 15 to 20 days, use fingertips or toothbrush and gently rub the leaf pulp away. Flip the leaf over and brush away the pulp from the other side. Rinse the leaf with fresh water and remove any remaining pulp. Set the leaves aside to dry for a day. You can use the skeleton leaves for your craft work, and you can also color them. So my skeleton leaves is beautiful and I just love the experiment. You can also try this DIY at home.
So don't forget to comment if you like the video and subscribe my channel for more upcoming videos. Stay safe. Bye.